Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we're doing a dirty short today. It is called Dirty Stir Fry, and it's a quick, easy recipe. So you're coming home from work, you need something quick and easy to make. I'm going to show you a great recipe that your family is absolutely going to love. So let's get started. Okay, this dish you can start two different ways. You can do it either with fresh chicken from the grocery store, or you can do it with prepackaged stuff that you made earlier. I referenced to a video that we had done earlier where we already cooked the chicken, cut it up in slices and little pieces, and then froze it. You can take this out, put it right here in the pan. We're going to talk about how to do it with the fresh chicken. So one of the things that I suggest is to put it in the freezer for about an hour or so, just to kind of get a consistency where you can actually cut it a little bit easier, so it's not as slimy. So you take your shears or your knife and you can actually cut it just like so. Simple and easy. You can see that. I can actually get 3 good slices right out. This is a great tip that I have done many a times when cooking chicken and cutting chicken. And then now cut it in little strips. And now you can see it makes simple little pieces right there. Much easier to do it this way than it is to try to do it when the chicken is really kind of not frozen. Okay, this recipe works great with all the different dirts. They're all equally amazing. I'm going to use the original dirt just because it's milder. That's what most people would probably prefer. But if you want to use the lowdown, which is the no salt, or work your way up to Chesapeake, Salty Sailor, or the Bayou for a little bit more spicy and heat, that all works really well. So we're first going to start off. We got a heated pan. It's at medium heat. We're going to start with the olive oil. All right, so that the olive oil is heating up. And I did not have any fresh garlic today, so we're going to put a teaspoon of garlic. Man, that smells good. And now we're going to add 1 large chicken breast that we cut up. And now we're going to throw in the original dirt. You can use however much you'd like. I obviously like it nice and dirty, so this is probably a couple tablespoons of the original dirt. Again, any other dirt will work. And we'll cook this down. All right, so Tori mentioned to me that I use an awful lot of garlic. I love garlic. I am a big garlic lover. Doesn't mean that you have to put garlic in here if you don't like it. All right, the smell and look at the colors on this chicken. It absolutely looks awesome. And now I got a mixture of a broccoli stir fry. It's got broccoli, carrots, and snow peas. And you can use any kind of vegetables that you like. I really like this one a lot. One of my personal favorites. Now, I've heard a lot of famous chefs say this. One of my favorite chefs is Sammy Hagar. Yes, the singer. I once watched a video of him. He always said, his grandfather always says, season every single time. So we're going to throw a little bit more original dirt onto the vegetables. And there we go. Rock on! This recipe also works well for our vegan fans, people who only want vegetables. Don't need to add chicken on here. It works really well just by itself. Okay, so you know it's done when the vegetables look like they've been cooked down a little bit. You don't want it to where it's mush. You still want some snap to it. And this is really close. Just look how pretty this thing looks. The smell is so good. This dish I've made 1,000 times. Ever come to see me at a grocery store or do a cooking demo somewhere, I've done this recipe a lot. Everybody likes it, from young kids all the way to older folks. I know I talked this dirt up like it's a commercial. And it is. It's really here. You're going to learn all about the Todd's dirt. But I am telling you, Todd's dirt in a stir fry like this is absolutely killer. You worked a hard day. You deserve a great meal. Wouldn't this be it? So please subscribe. Tell all your friends and family all about Todd's dirt, where you can print out the recipe, see the recipe. You can actually see me do this recipe getting down and dirty. Check us out. Please subscribe. Tell all your friends. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.